Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Ami El Castillo, 38 years old, single, with only one son, 15 years old. My height, 153 cm and weight, 58.5 kg. I graduated Massachusetts Banalo National High School. I work as a housemaid and nanny in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, Mr. and Miss Rim Muhammad, for 1.5 years. There are 3 members in the family, 2 adult and 3 old baby. I'm also work housemaid in Batangas, Philippines, 2 years contract. I have my experience as a production worker and manufacturing companies 2023 up to present. I do household chores like cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, marketing, and tutoring children. I take good care of babies like changing their diapers, feed them, and bath them. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money and have a better and living to support my family. I'm honest, trustworthy, obedient, hardworking, and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I promise to finish with my contract 2 years with you. I'm willing to renew when needed. Again, Ami El Castillo. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.